There are 1 million kids in the country that play high school football. Yeah. 1 million of them. Yeah. You go to college, that number precipitously drops to 96,000. From 96,000, it goes to 1,600 in the NFL. 1 million, 96,000 to 1,600. It just shows you, everybody, how many people out there are like, I want to be a CEO. I want to, the caliber, to get from here to here to here, it's an exponential leap.
It is amazing. And that's why in the NFL, they keep replenishing every year. It's like a good business, even if you think you're set, it's always good to bring in a young sales guy, right?
Right. You just keep, and so we're talking about, the big economic thing right now is layoffs. Well, just because somebody's laying off doesn't mean they're hiring.
Exactly right.
You think about it. We're laying off 1,000 people, Facebook, but who knows? As they're laying off, hey, we're top grading some people too.
Exactly. Yeah, they can be laying off 1,000, but hiring 250.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, that was a big thing where I grew my business. Where I grew my business during the Great Recession was I had CEOs calling me up saying, I need to lay off 3 people, but I need somebody to do the job. Go find me one really, really good person who can handle these 3 jobs.
Yeah.
And I made a lot of money doing that.